This morning, I dropped a thermodynamics chapter into this agent. And before my coffee finished brewing, it had written a full exam and caught me confusing entropy with enthalpy, the exact slip that sinks people on test day. This is one of the most powerful AI-powered exam and interview tools called ExamCoach. One Docker container on Agentbox with Hermes agent powering every tutor inside it. By the end of this video, you will have your own copy running and a template for shipping agents of your own. You drop in a PDF or paste your notes. Press Add Bank, and ExamCoach spills the material into topics and writes a question bank with a rubric attached to every question. From one bank, you get 3 things. When you click Generate Study Guide, it gives you per topic summaries, key points, and the classic pitfalls students fall into. Next, you can click Generate Exam. This is the heart of the app. The tutor grades like a human against the rubric it wrote. It keeps serving questions until you hold 80% or better in every topic. And in order to strengthen your weak points, it will recycle every question you miss back into the queue, in other formats. Every missed question lands in a notebook with its explanation, next to accuracy bars for each topic. Students can run whole chapters through it before finals. And for interview prep, it shines because it drills your own system design notes and grades free responses against a rubric, which feels remarkably close to the real thing. And everything happening in a web app also lands in its accompanying chatbot, which we'll see in a second. Let's take a look at how this app was built and how everything fits together. Agentbox is the box in the middle of this picture. One container deployed from a public Docker image with a persistent volume, a health check, and a public URL assigned at deploy time. Everything that ExamCoach is lives inside that boundary, and the same shape carries anything else you might want to ship. Inside the box, Hermes agent is the entire chat side. Hermes is an open-source agent framework, and ExamCoach leans on 3 things it does out of the box. Every bot you connect gets its own dedicated gateway process, so 10 users mean 10 isolated agents in one container. The tutor's whole personality is a folder of markdown playbooks, also known as Hermes skills, and Hermes turns each skill into a chat command automatically. So things such as quiz, study, and stats work the moment the gateway boots. And because Hermes ships with a native GMI provider, pointing an agent at any GMI served model takes one config key and the GMI API key you can get on our console. Both paths converge on one SQLite database, so a bank you upload in the browser is instantly quizable in chat. And both paths call out to the GMI API for the model work. Multiple choice grading runs locally against stored rubrics, which keeps a 20-question exam at 0 model calls on that path. With our repository ready, now let's deploy on Agentbox. One Docker file builds everything. In one command, let's go ahead and build a Docker image and push to Docker Hub. If you're using another type of device than a Mac, that platform Mac is essential, or else the image will fail in confusing ways. And we always version every tag the way we did here. Agentbox catches image tags, so pushing a fix to the same tag can leave the instance running yesterday's code, while a fresh tag guarantees a fresh pull. After your image is on Docker Hub, go ahead and save the registry URL for Agentbox. On the GMI console, we'll register a new agent here. Let's call it ExamCoach. For the registry URL, paste the Docker link you saved here. Next, you can specify anything else, including your container type, as well as GMI models you want in your app. We'll keep DeepSeek V4 Flash as our model to help generate our study material. If you have any environment variables, you can go ahead and list them here. Or if you have a .env file, you can upload it here. The only environment variable we have here is an additional GMI API key. Do note that Agentbox will already inject a GMI mass API key, which you can use in your code as well. After everything is configured, go ahead and click Register, and now our agent is up. To start an instance of your agent, click My Agents, then click the agent name that we just configured, and click Add Instance. You can optionally reset your environment variables and create your instance. This will take a few minutes to start up. Once your instance is ready, you will have an endpoint URL set. Click Open to check it out. If you want to make your agent publicly accessible, you can publish your agent to GMI's Agentbox marketplace. Publishing this specific agent follows a per-user model, which keeps every person's data inside their own container. You can list your agent so anyone can deploy their own instance of it, and bring their own GMI key and connect their own bots. For this app, that means their uploads, their exam history, and their tokens also stay in their own volume. To list your agent, go ahead and click Listing, then Publish, and fill out the following information. Once it is listed, you can click Deploy Your Own to register this agent for yourself. And the steps to register the agent are the exact same as before. It will inject your own API key and spin up your own instance with your own volume, own data, and own bots. If you want to connect your ExamCoach to your Telegram chatbot, you can connect to the bottom of the page. Here, you can connect your bot by entering your bot token and your Telegram user ID. When you click Connect, the instance spins up a dedicated Hermes gateway with the tutor skills loaded. We made a separate video walking through Hermes setup end-to-end, so head there for the deep dive. There are a few lessons from building this that are worth carrying with you. First, Hermes locks each gateway to an allow list by default, so a bot that connects and then stays silent is usually protecting you. And the fix is simply supplying your Telegram user ID, exactly like the Connect form asks. Second, one bot token supports one polling connection, so a bot connected on your laptop will starve the same bot on Agentbox, and separate tokens for local testing keep both alive. To use your bot in Telegram, you can message it start. There are 4 skills preloaded to this Hermes gateway. First, you can send quiz, and you will get tested until you hit 80% per topic. Or you can also send learn, which will create study notes for you from a bank you upload. Next, you can also send stats, which will provide you your own progress statistics. And lastly, you can send a .text or .pdf file to create a new bank with content you want to study. So that is ExamCoach, end-to-end. A Docker push became a deployed app with storage and a public URL, and a folder of Markdown became a fleet of tutors on a frontier model. Deploy it from the marketplace, upload a chapter or an entire textbook, and let the tutor make you an expert on the topic. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.